Walking alone at night, in many places, takes courage. A quiet kind of courage people rarely talk about. But in Korea, that same moment feels surprisingly familiar. It's past midnight, yet the city hasn't fully gone to sleep. Convenience store lights are still glowing in the distance, and the streets are gently lit without leaving deep shadows. A person walks slowly, earphones in, following a familiar path. The air is calm, and the silence feels comfortable. Even without crowds, the space never feels completely empty. So the question naturally comes up, why does it feel this way? Streetlights stretch ahead, covering even the smallest corners. Cameras quietly watch, present but not overwhelming. And just nearby, there are always places still open. Lights remain on and signs of life quietly continue. Together, they create a feeling that you are not alone. But what truly matters lies beyond what we can see. A small sound appears, and somewhere, someone notices. A door opens slightly, just enough to check outside. If something feels wrong, a call is made without delay. People may not know each other, but they still care. Not out of obligation, but out of quiet awareness. It's not just a system, it's something closer to culture. And behind it all, there are constant, unseen efforts. Police move through the streets, steady and calm. Systems respond quickly, often before things escalate. Cities continue to adjust, improve, and evolve over time. Of course, no place is ever completely perfect. Sometimes the calm of the night is interrupted, a distant siren or a moment that feels different. And when that happens, people begin to ask again, are we truly safe even now? That question never disappears. It keeps everything moving. Brighter lights are added and faster responses are built. Safer paths are created step by step over time. So this feeling of safety is something being built every day. And tonight, as you walk, the street quietly tells you, it's okay, you can keep walking.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!